Hello everyone, and welcome to Biopedia. Bears, or the family Ursidae, split off from their canid relatives between 20 and 25 million years ago. In the present day, the family consists of 9 separate species, which can be found in some capacity across all continents except Australia, Africa, and Antarctica. However, the subject of today's episode is not one of these species. Instead, it's a hybrid of 2 different species of bear. The Grolar bear, also known as a pizzly, is born from a mating event between a grizzly bear and a polar bear. Most Grolar bears resemble polar bears in terms of their behaviour, as the majority of hybrid mothers are polar bears rather than grizzlies. Their existence may be due to anthropogenic climate change. As the sea ice in the Arctic melts, polar bears travel away from the Arctic in order to find food. At the same time, Alaskan and Canadian grizzly bears are moving further north as a consequence of the same temperature increases causing the sea ice to melt. Thus, mating events between the 2 species have been occurring. The resulting offspring are more able to withstand the new anthropogenic conditions. However, the existence of offspring of a grizzly bear and a polar bear, Ursus arctos horribilis and Ursus maritimus respectively, demonstrates the problems associated with our concept of a species. To see why these mating events pose a problem, we need to turn to what is known as the biological species concept. By this definition, a species consists of a collection of populations, with individuals from these populations being able to mate and have offspring, which can themselves go on to have offspring. By contrast, if individuals from 2 species mate, their offspring will not be able to reproduce themselves. What marks a species out in this model is the fact that there is no gene flow between 2 different species. This means that the existence of pizzlies and Grolar bears, which is due to contributions of genetic material from 2 different species, goes against this model of what a species actually is. Similarly, humans and Neanderthals, either classified as separate species or one and the same, have been known to have mated together, while genetic analysis of 90,000-year-old fossil remains of a girl revealed that her mother was a Neanderthal and her father was a Denisovan. Ultimately, the difficulty stems from the fact that the idea of a species is more of a construct than reality. Species in taxonomy are distinct categories, while evolution is a continuous process. As such, the concept may not work in all situations, as demonstrated by the examples we've mentioned today. That's it for this episode. Thank you for listening. For any questions, comments, or topic suggestions for future episodes, feel free to get in touch at the show's email address. Until next time, have a great week, everyone.